Welcome to in front of me Vivo Y01, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and then here you'll see the lock screen and wallpaper section. Click here and tap to the wallpaper. Now you can see here all the available wallpapers on our device, the default ones. Here we got our selected wallpaper on our home screen, and by click here on the right upper corner you can also select the photos downloaded, for example, from the internet or just previously taken on your device. We'll go just with the default one, and now just select one from these wallpapers and click here to apply. And we want to set this wallpaper to the lock screen. Here we got this message that this wallpaper applied successfully, and now as you can see we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just should hold for a while your screen, and here you'll see the wallpaper section. By the same way you'll launch the wallpaper settings here, and by the same way, for example, we can go with this, with the download from the internet picture. Just hold it, touch it, and now we can change here, select the position, for example this one, and here we want to set it to the lock screen. Tap here to lock screen and click on the right upper corner to OK. And now you can see that we got here the new lock screen wallpaper now on Vivo device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.